Today we'll introduce our HTGK III high voltage switch tester. High voltage switch is one of important components in the power system. The control circuit into or out of operation, as well as in cooperation with the protective devices. The circuit failure occurs the rapidly disconnect fault section. So the high voltage switch is a very important distribution electrical equipment. Its safe and reliable operation is of great significance to the security and operating of the power system. HTGK III high voltage switch test is a dedicated instrument for field test. The instrument is equipped with a variety of sensors, can easily test the three-phase opening and closing time, travel, spring speed, coil action voltage parameters. Today, the tested object is a standard type vacuum circuit breaker. Let's explain the detailed wiring method. First, connect well the grounding wire and the power cable. Connect the fracture line of tester to the contactor terminal of high voltage switch. The other side of contactor terminal of high voltage switch with shorting wire connected, and connect to the instrument grounding terminal, and then connect to the control power of switch. When switch control power using internal trigger of tester, the control power of tester is respectively connected to opening, closing coil and common port. Green for the opening control coil, red for the closing coil, black for common port. This wiring the high voltage switch field control power must be disconnected. When using external trigger, connect the external trigger detection line to high voltage switch opening and closing coil. External trigger for using field operating power let switch action. Internal trigger for the instrument output voltage let switch action. After completed wiring and confirmed correct, turn on the tester power. Press confirm into the main menu. Enter the setting interface. The default tester time is 250 ms. That is single opening and single closing test time. Can be changed according to the field test. If you need to test the travel and spring speed, in this interface, select the appropriate sensor and open speed and travel test. Open travel test only when using the linear sensor. Close it when use other sensors. After setting is completed, install the sensor well and connect to the instrument. Also, according to the actual situation, need to set the action voltage and trigger mode. Today we take internal trigger for example. After completed the setting, click confirm and then click tester into the tester module. Today we take closing test for example. Select closing test. The instrument enter into the interface. Click confirm. The instrument immediately output pulse voltage. High voltage switch immediately re-closing to obtain test results. Test results can reveal curve graphics, also can view comprehensive data. The test results can be saved or printed for recording. It is important to note that when field wiring must be first connected to the safety grounding wire, then connect to the fracture line. prevent induced withstand voltage between the fracture and the ground to endanger personal safety. During the test, when the switch without action, recheck the wiring and voltage output. If you cannot resolve the problem, please contact us immediately. Any problems, please contact us.